Hey guys, I got a comment from one of my friends, Channabasava. He told us to, convert columns to rows and rows to column with a date. Welcome to my channel and subscribe to my channel. Let's see how we can do that. So yeah, I'm just showing a sample data of state and capital where green indicates the the capital of that particular state. So I'm just copied and I'm pasting a special. There you can see a transpose and click OK. Now you see that got transposed along with the state and capital. So you can see the green color also got changed. So again we can copy the same thing and see, I'm copying through mouse and I'm again pasting it as a paste special. So yeah, and then click on transpose and say click OK. So you get the first details back. So this is how we can convert rows to columns to rows. Thank you for watching, and I will come up with a new video with new concept. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you very much.